Okay, my dear student, uh, I will discuss about the four stone ages. Uh, the next chapter is about the four stone ages. So, I will discuss the early humans spent much of their time in trees. However, after some time they become cave dweller. They worked in the stooped position and resembles uh, an ape. Like a ape, they have uh, spent their life. Okay, they were essentially hunters. They are naturally hunters. They spend their lives with or by hunting. They used their brain to make implements of stone and could facilitate hunting. By 3000 BC, stone was so largely used by the primitive humans their first instrument of hunting was stone or uh, it is mainly used uh, for successful their hunting. Then everyday life that historians prefer to call their period as the Stone Ages. Thus, the classification has become according to ages of stones used regarding uh, stones. Okay, I say uh, the stone ages actually uh, has come from early times, or the stone ages is divided. mm, no ages ages has been divided according to the using of the primitive humans uh, instrument or uses of stones. Okay, um, on the basis of equality and type of stone tools used by the early humans, the stone ages has been further divided into the four parts. Quality of stones or sharpness of stones. Okay, Pathologic, Pathologic or Stone Age. It is called actually Stone Age. Okay, purely Stone Age. Second is Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. Uh, Third is or C, Neolithic or New Stone Age, and fourth one is uh, Chalcolithic or Copper Stone Age. Okay, am I clear? You have to read the four division of classification of the part of four ages, division according to the use of stones. The duration of Paleolithic age is from 15,000 BC till about 10,000 BC. The duration is the important part of your lesson, and the division also. Division is most important, and duration must have to read. So all the division have to read. Making of stone tool else and their use. See the picture A, B, C, D, E. According to their times, um, e.g. Number A, the early stone tools. Thus, the division has come. She only duration of 4 ages. Okay, she only duration of 4 ages. I have discussed. Read about the ages something. Uh, okay, you also read duration and the discussion about the ages. It is not so important, but you have read. See the uh, Mesolithic tools. Mesolithic tools about Mesolithic tools and read the lesson about the Mesolithic tools carefully and see the shape of Mesolithic tools, and read about the shelter of Mesolithic humans. The page 16 is not clear. Perhaps you read and realized the uh, hmm, uh, 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 page 16. The page 15 and 16 read about stone tools found in India, Paleolithic sites. In India, the in page 15, okay, um, 16 is not clear to me, so I can't discuss as the page number is not captured clearly to your camera. So and lesson is not clear, so I can't discuss about your lesson. You read the lesson, and next time you will give the lesson carefully, copy to me. Okay. Paleolithic sites. In India, the Paleolithic stone tools have been discovered from Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka is important part. Uh, Bhimbetka is famous for cave painting. Okay. It is situated in Madhya Pradesh, Hunsi, uh, Karnataka, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Bhimbetka actually or perfectly means it the painting. Okay, Hunsi also painting, Kurnool also painting. Uh, these are also found the different places. Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Bhimbetka, and Andhra Pradesh, etc. Discovery of fire. It is very important, very important in the history part in your lesson or social studies. Okay. Your social studies mainly depend on history subject, and other also may be important, but history part is important in all GK, and social studies has been created um, for for increase our GK knowledge. Okay, so and GK is fulfill with uh, fulfill with history. They the main point, I will only discuss that two pieces of flint, that means sharp stone, and this way fire was discovered first. First discovery of fire has been started by 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 the two pieces of flint stone, uh, uh, flint stone uh, flint flint stone or সংঘর্ষের ফলে, যেটা ডিভিশন হচ্ছে সংঘর্ষের ফলে যেটা আর কি আগুন উৎপন্ন হয়েছে। ওকে, দুটো তীক্ষ্ণ পাথর সংঘর্ষ সংঘর্ষ সংঘর্ষের ফলে কি হয়েছে, আগুন ফার্স্ট উৎপন্ন হয়েছে। So it is called discovery of the fire. In the Indian, traces of fire have been discovered from the Kurnal caves in India. That means ভারতবর্ষে ফার্স্ট আগুনের ব্যবহার কোথায় হয়েছিল? কুর্নুল। ওকে, read about the advantages of time. Fire. Advantages of fire. We have to learn about the advantages of fire. You read in page 18. Read the duration and read carefully. Discovery of the wheel. It is very important part in your next exam. You have the you have to have to remain enough knowledge about the use of wheels. Okay, and can't understand the page number I tell you, so I cannot discuss about the matter. You read the whole chapter carefully. Okay, as you do not capture the picture carefully, so I cannot read the lesson carefully, and mostly the capture of the lesson has not clear, so I cannot see the lesson, and and you read the lesson. Just read main point, only read for your exam. I have discussed the main point. uh, Read the duration carefully. That means uh, 4000 BC till about 2000 BC, the duration I have discussed. um, you first you you must read the duration and classification. The main part or main discussion in this chapter is the classification and the duration of the stone ages. It is a main part, and the discovery of fire and the advantages of fire, and the discovery of wheels is also important. So okay, bye bye.